Something interesting was happening on my reef today, and I wanted to see what everyone was doing. The coral was swaying. Little fish were flicking past my flippers. I wondered, what are they all doing? Then I noticed tiny cleaner shrimp making their way to their cleaner station. A big fish swam up, opened its mouth wide, and the little shrimp carefully picked away tiny bits of food. It was like visiting a dentist, right here in the ocean. Cleaner shrimp help keep fish healthy. Next, I spotted a colorful parrotfish crunching on coral. And here's the amazing part. When parrotfish eat coral, it slowly turns into soft white sand. That means some of the beautiful sand on tropical beaches was once made by parrotfish. Then I looked down at the reef floor. A little crab was picking up tiny scraps and leftovers from the sand, helping clean up the reef, just like a tidy-up team. And then I saw something very funny. A wiggly sea cucumber slowly munching on sand. It eats the sand, cleans it, and leaves it fresh again. Cleaner shrimp, parrotfish, busy little crabs, and wiggly sea cucumbers. Everyone on the reef has an important job, and when every ocean animal helps a little, the whole reef becomes a happy, healthy home. I wonder, what other secret jobs are happening in the ocean today?